I've identified my money blocks. I understand this particular money block is really bothering me and it is causing a lot of pain in my life. But what can I do about it? What's the path? What's the next step? What do I do? Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and I'm the founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel, online community, online training programs, anything and everything to do with regards to your money mindset, investment mindset, and eventually your financial freedom. If you're new to this channel and if you would really like to learn about investing, how to get rid of your money blocks, get to understand how does law of attraction work for your money, how can you eventually get financially free, and get to know about all of these things one step at a time, you're at the right place. Welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. I make 10 videos every month for you. Today I'm going to talk to you about what exactly do you do once you've identified that you are dealing with some money blocks and how do you get rid of these money blocks. It's extremely important for you to do so. Literally, your life, your money, your financial freedom, your investments depend upon that. Watch this video carefully because I'm going to tell you a 4-step process that can actually help you get rid of your money blocks to a very good extent, if not the entire thing. First of all, work on your awareness. How do you do that? Listen to a lot of podcasts, watch a lot of videos. Immerse yourself in the knowledge field to understand what exactly these money blocks are, how do you identify them, understand the subject. How do I explain this to you? This is like, okay, if you know of somebody who learned how to cook, or if you've learned how to cook, go back and understand how did you do it in the first place. You felt like a fish out of water in the kitchen on the first day. You understood the difference between jeera and ajwain and all the other components that were in your kitchen, correct? Then you understand what were the tools. Then you identified how does the stuff get on, how do you use the lighter. You need to understand and absorb as much awareness as possible. Find ways, figure out ways. If you can't figure out ways, get in touch with me, ask me about different avenues on comments and I'll tell you how can I help you with them. Look at the links in the description. There is a reason why there are multiple links in the description below. Every link leads you to another place which will help you to understand something else. Click on those links. Okay. Work on your awareness. Understand. The second thing that you need to do is you can understand over a period of time when you've accumulated a lot of knowledge, you'll understand what is your attitude about money. You'll identify your behavior patterns. You'll identify how you deal with money, investments, what are your money blocks, how are you dealing with them. Understand patterns is what I'm trying to say, because it's extremely important, because unless and until you've not understood a pattern, how are you going to deal with it? Access the depth of your problem and identify the intensity of what this particular money block is doing to you and your life. This is extremely important because if you don't understand the root of the problem, if you don't understand the impact it is having on your life, you are not going to do anything about it. Everybody knows that consuming sugar is bad for them, right? But yet we keep consuming desserts because the spike in cholesterol, the spike in diabetes shows up in our blood reports only at a particular age or after you've really messed up with your body. Imagine if sugar can be, the amount of sugar that you've consumed can lead to these diseases. Imagine what are you doing with your financial health by not doing anything about your money blocks, by not doing anything about your investments and so on and so forth. Think about this. If there's any one takeaway that I want you to take away from this particular video, this is it. What is the intensity of these money blocks in your life? How much are these money blocks costing you? Once you've understood this, that's when you actually get ready to do something about it. What can you do about it? Research some more. Understand for yourself, what is it that you want to do about it? Do you want to accept it? Do you want to deal with it? Do you want to improve upon it? Do you want to completely get rid of it? Understand where the lack of confidence is coming from. If there is no lack of confidence, so understand what exactly is stopping you. If you can't do all of this by yourself, find yourself a coach, find yourself a mastermind group, find yourself a group of people who've already overcome these issues. Talk to them, and if you don't know where to start, I'll give you a hint. There is a link to a Facebook group below. That's my Facebook group. It's Paycheck to Profits Facebook group. We have over 1600 people in the community. Join that group. Why will you want to join that group is because when you are in the same energy, when you are in the energy of people who want to do something about their life with regards to money, their thought process will actually influence yours. When you talk to them and ask them what kind of experiences they've gone through, they'll be able to help you because they've been there. Somebody who's in grade 3 can help somebody who's in grade 2 and grade 1. Somebody who's in grade 9th can help anybody from grade 1 to grade 8. You will find somebody who, if you actually look at the right places. There are people who've gone through similar issues. There are people who've seen similar problems. There are people who've found solutions to similar problems. So why not just go and seek help? It doesn't make you weak. It only makes you stronger. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I promise I'll do everything in my capacity to help you in the best way I can. I hope this has given you some sort of a thought process, some direction, some energy to do something about your money blocks, because believe me, they are costing you a lot more than you can imagine. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, think about what I've told you. Watch some of my past videos. I've created a lot of videos on these topics in the recent past. I am creating 10 videos per month. So if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching.